Hi, this is Quinn at Kaizink with a quick improvement. So you save tab groups in Google Chrome. So if you're working on a job and you have a couple tabs that pertain to stop at any point, and you don't want all the tabs just filling up your Chrome, you can add them to a tab like this. And you can do that just by right-clicking on it and add tab to new group up here. And then you on your tab name right here. And if you click Save Tab, it's going to add it down here to your bookmarks bar. There's this button right here that used to say Delete Group to Hide Group. So if you click that, it'll remove them from the bar up here, and it'll just keep it in your bookmarks bar. That way you can quickly just pop back into where you were at on it. Also save them when you close your Chrome. If you open it back up, they're in that bookmarks bar. So you can use this for if you're in the middle of a job and you have to stop, or if you have you use for purchasing or anything like that, you can pop them all open at the same time, and then you can hide them back away and that you need them.